So I'm here with Cled Davis, Aberystwyth standing goalkeeper. So, talk us about save.
Oh, I don't know. I just saw the ball come. I just dived to know what I did. Just luckily it hit my hand and went out for a corner, but no, it's a good save.
Well, cracking saver. Spoke to the gaffer earlier and he said it's save of the season so far. So your views on that?
It's more importantly, it's better than we won because we lost twice already in the last two games. So just more importantly, getting 3 points tonight. A clean sheet is a bonus.
So it was a very hard fought win and somewhat scrappy, but in the end got the point or got the win. Venner scored again. How important is it to have a goal scorer like Venner's in the team?
Yeah, he's probably the best player in the league. He scores his goal scoring, he's got 14 or 15 already.
15, yeah.
Yeah, so it speaks for itself. But no, we just it was a local derby at the end of the day. So and we haven't beaten Newtown in ages, so it was nice to get one over them.
So the rain came down in the second half. How hard was it as a player to play on a pitch like that with rain coming down, especially in goal?
Especially in goal, you don't want rain because the ball is going to skid off, it's going to go anywhere. But I thought the defence time was outstanding. They did it easier for me, and just luckily we got 3 points, and we could have 1 or 2 more in the second half. We hit the post. It was a good performance.
So your views on the next week for training in the game next week? How are you feeling yourself? Maybe in goal?
No, I don't think so. We got a sub keeper. He wasn't on the bench tonight, but he'll probably be in. And we got a few suspended players, and Craig's obviously got sent off. So we'll be bare bones, but no, that's not an excuse. We'll hopefully get 3 points again.